What's up everyone, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this. Now this is the 1/6 scale M100 trailer from Rock Hobby, and it goes with the Rock Hobby 1/6 scale Jeep. Now I've done a review on this, I'll leave a little card up there if you want to go check it out. But this is probably one of my favourite RC cars, along with their 1/12 scale Jeep. This is probably one of my favourites. The details on this is second to none. If you haven't seen it, here's a little quick walk around. It's got like a little faux engine bay there. It's got lights. All the tools here are actually applied, and you can take them out and use them, or take them off, whatever you want to do. It's also got a canvas cover here. All this actually works, pulls up, and I got that in this video as well. Plus this awesome new machine gun. Has a servo in the steering wheel, so when the wheels turn it activates as well. A bit more realism. I actually used the Insta360 Go 2 and I put the camera here and a couple other shots. Go check that video out as well, that's pretty sweet. But yeah, it's really cool. Even the seats are like fabric, really nice. If you're looking at this trailer, you would have seen this car already, but there we go there. It's only not prototypical thing is the 4-link suspension. Apart from that, it is. I think it's 4-link at the back and 3 at the front, but yeah. Anyway, let's get this out of the box. Links will be in the description when you go check it out, like always. Now here is a canvas top. How good does it look? Now these two bars are normally folded down and in this first hole. Take them out and you put them in this second hole just here and open them up. They normally have 2 cable ties attached to them, just cut them up, and that is it. Now it attaches with a Velcro strap here at the back, and left and right you've got these hoops, and also on the top bar there you've got 2 Velcro straps, and at the front you have these pins on the windshield, just there. You kind of pull it and push them in, just like that, and it kind of just holds it in. Now I guess the taller it is, the better it is, it won't go anywhere. Fix it up on the side. And there we go. There is your canvas roof for your Jeep. Now I guess you can undo this a little bit and slide it back behind there a little bit better. Pretty prototypical to me. I'm no Jeep expert, but I know from seeing it, but I think that's how it looks. It's got this angle so the rain can beat off. But it's, you know, it was in the wall, so it wasn't the fanciest. It saves you getting drenched. I do believe the machine gun won't be able to fit when that's on there, but we can check it out later on. Let's have a look at that. This is the 1/6 scale 1941 scale machine gun version 2 gift box set. So this is going to sit up on the Jeep itself. Check this out. Packaging is so nice. It's even magnetic. Just here. Nice. Look at that. Hardware screws. Gun itself, and as you can see, it's all weathered as well. So it's not just shiny, brand new. That's mad. What a great looking machine gun. I believe this is a 50 caliber. You guys down below let me know. But I'll have a close look at that. Ammo box. Nicely weathered up top. Other accessories. There's the rounds. And this other part as well. So that's what you get in the box. Oh, can't forget this. It's a handle of some sort. That's it, no instruction manual, nothing like that. I believe it sits in that hole there. Yep, it definitely does. So that's where it goes, no instructions, so I'm just figuring out top of my head. But let me clear this desk. Now there is the machine gun. Looks awesome. This post is attached with 1 screw just in there. Really easy, and the other screw is going to be attached in the bottom of the Jeep. It's a countersunk screw, and that's all it is, but really nice. Separately applied parts here to slide it on, and there's a handle here on the side as well. Now this lifts up and holds in your rounds, just like that. Now this ammo box comes out, and this particular piece is snapped onto the side of that pole. Just goes in like that, nice friction fit. This just sits in there, kind of like that. Lift up this, and you feed in your bullets like the real thing, just like that. Close it back up again, and that's it, it's held in there. It's not going anywhere. As you can see, we'll install it into the Jeep, really easy, one screw at the bottom, and we'll see how it looks. There you go, that. You don't even really need to put the screw in there because it's a nice friction fit, it's not going to go anywhere. As you can see, it just sits down there, and ready to rock and roll. You can have your 1/6 scale figure standing up there, holding that machine gun, but the canvas roof, can't really work with that on there, so it's one or the other. But that's pretty cool. You can just sit it back like that if you really want to. There we go, just taking the canvas off quickly. Put my 1/6 scale dragon figure up there. Looking to bring out a world of pain to someone, but there we go. And there's a trailer. Only one thing you need to do to get it to this stage is install this bracket, or the front part of the trailer. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and that's it. As you can see, everything looks nice and scaled. Leaf sprung suspension there. Now it's got light buckets, no LEDs in this, but you could probably do that if you really wanted to. Rolls really nice. They definitely feel like ball bearings in there. Got even like these tie downs here on the side. So if you want to put like a canvas over the top, I guess you could. Like I said before, it's got these nice plaques there. Little boxes that actually can hold something if you really want to. There's your main hook there to attach it to the Jeep itself. Chains, and also this part here that flicks up. So when you're using it, you flick it up. When you want it to sit like that, it sits nice and level, you put it down. Suspension seems fairly soft. Same wheels and tyres as the one on the Jeep itself. Have a look at the back here. How accurate is this? You guys in the comments let me know that know there's off by heart. The lights look pretty nice. Additional part here, but that doesn't work. Everything else does though. I do like this part here is metal, as you can see. It's got a lock nut there with a spring, fairly big. I'll definitely be able to fit some stuff in there. Now to install it, it's really easy, obviously. Get the back of the Jeep, lift this up, put that down, just like that. And you are ready to go. Now if we look up top, fairly big turning angle with that on. But it's pretty damn big when it's all said and done, that's for sure. I think it does come in a package now. When you buy the trailer, I think it comes with the gun, the canvas and the trailer all in one. Let's do a little quick driving test with it. Now a good thing about this, you can obviously articulate a fair bit due to the nature of the design of that pin there. There we go. Plus it's got its own suspension as well. We'll get some running video now. I've got my Insta360 Go 2. I'll put in some places at the front, in the trailer, at the back, behind the seat or something like that, just to give you some different footage. But there we go there, let's see how it looks. So what do you guys reckon? I think it's sweet. Adds another perspective and realism to this already scale crawler. One of my favourite, that and the 112 as well. Check out that, just looks so good. Definitely a buff, you know, something for those buff military guys and something like myself who loves anything to do with World War II. Obviously you can scale it up even more by weathering it. Took the canvas off and I've taken the machine gun out just to give the guys some more room in there. But it looks so good. Performs really well. Everything pivots nicely. You can use those backup chains as well. And those chains are metal. Just looks so good. You can see, look at that. Oh, cool. Hope you like those other shots of the Insta. I think it looks pretty cool. Keeps it nice and steady as well. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Links are down below. And I do believe it comes as a kit, but just read the description just to double check. But I hope you enjoyed the video guys. I'll see you in the next one. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And if you already have this, let me know what you guys think of it. Or show me a video of your channel. Maybe you've got it on your channel. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Cheers guys.